give us a call on this. Find me something in your cupboard where you do you know what I didn't know? That was annotated. I was gonna eat that.
Yeah. Superstore, I wouldn't say the name, in Katie to get me lunch, you know, and I looks in and they've got this extra array of hero Mark Lee's knows well. Charlie Chaplin did a film 100 years ago all about this very thing. Hello, Mark.
Hi, Linda. Hi, Kim. Lovely to hear you all. It's been a few weeks.
And you too as well. Well, I mean, you've gone through all the technological change, of course, from projector when you started to, of course, all digital.
Yeah, and as you just said there, Linda, one of my heroes, Chaplin, of course, of times that film he did. You know, he saw all the technology there, the production line moving along, and he had to keep up with it all. And he ends up going into the cogs of the machine. But yeah, it was as Alistair was saying there, and I totally agree. You know, you go into the shops now, and you're spending, you know, especially with the costs, quite a bit of money. Derby 1, Charlton 1, Wickham 0, Cheltenham 1, Leighton.
That's part of the
Don't do anything apart from threaten, except from horn. Yeah.
Why can't we pronounce the THs?
I'm so glad that we get good stuff.
Oh,
really thrilled. I'm not stopping. We're on radio too. I often wonder how.
First of all, the audio that was released last night. I don't know about you, Matt. I'll get your take on this. My take was I couldn't actually believe how chaotic it works. That was the first thing that struck me.
And actually, it's quite nice to, I'm now mentoring when somebody comes to a problem with a
Oh, there you go.
Well, we could ring my mother, or I'll just simply be.
You know, do you remember Skellorn Street bus station? You know, do you remember the old Runcorn Bridge? You know, whatever it is. Remember, you know, Camel Lads years and years ago, and all of this kind of thing.
Lincoln 1, Carlisle 1, Baker 1, Orient 1, Hopewell 1, North Accrington 0, Reading 2, Bolton 1, Shrewsbury 0, Bristol Rovers 2, Stevenage 1, Charlton 2, Cambridge United 1, Wycombe 2, Blackpool 0. In League 2, Accrington 4, Sutton United 1, AFC Wimbledon 2, Crewe 2, Bradford 1, Harrogate 1, Colchester 1, Mansfield 1, Crawley 3, Tranmere 2, Forest Green 1, Doncaster 2, Gillingham 2, Morecambe 1, MK Dons 1, Stockport 2, Newport 1, Barrow 1, Swindon 2, Walsall 0, Wrexham 3, Grimsby 0. In the National League, AFC Fylde 1, Eastleigh 2, Aldershot 1, Gateshead 1, Bromley 3, Oldham 0.
Coach trip.
Yes, coach trip is correct.
Even panic then now.
No, you never panic on a coach trip. That would be my
Number one rule.
Question 6. Ryan Reynolds starred as George Lutz alongside Melissa George, who played Kathy Lutz. He's not Driver Sally, and he gets his
Taxi driver.
It was the Amityville Horror.
Oh, I was well.
Oh,
That is hard.
that's really hard.
Okay. Oh, I never knew this. This is hard as well.
Look at you learning on the job.
I know.
Can I change to B now?
I wish you
please?
could. I want to change the
Simon,
beat.
this is supposed to be fun.
Right, here comes question 7. Which actor
Oh yeah,
played
mate.
Gareth?
Must have been bad for the air ambulance to come, love, mustn't it?
Mr. Ben.
Loads of paramedics got out and went running up the road.
Is correct, which means we know you're going through to next week's race. Let's move on to question 6.
Shut the road
Which
here.
film does Tom Cruise say?
That's why I've
"On
come
the
down,
truth."
come this way. I
And
turn
John
left
Lewis
here.
replied,
You can go
"You
left,
can
you can't go right.
Oh.
But I had to come down here
Hate myself. 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Massey's
because
right.
and then do a whole
Oh my
circuit.
God.
Whole
circuit.
10 seconds to answer on Keris's behalf. Here it comes. In which film does Tom Cruise say,
what I mean?
Yeah.
They're all easy, yeah.
Wow.
I think it's A Few Good Men.
It's correct. Well done.